girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Now here you have a girl of height. So her height is of 90 centimeters. So the height of a girl is 90 centimeters. So let's make a girl like, let's draw like this. Okay. So this is a girl with 90 centimeters. Okay. Next, she is walking away from the base of the lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meters, so here you have a lamppost again. So this lamppost, height of this lamppost is of 3.6 meters above the ground. So this is the ground level. So let this be the ground. Okay. Now, above the ground, here you have a lamppost with 3.6 meters. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. You need to find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Now, let me draw like. Okay. So here, let this point to be E, C, D, B, okay, A, B, C, D and E. So we got these points. So here, where CD is the length of her shadow. So let CD be X. Length of her shadow. So here the girl stands somewhere here. So this is the girl. So the girl stands at a point C, and her shadow forms over here, like shadow forms at this direction. Thus we get like CD, where CD will be the shadow which formed on the ground, right? So so here the question is, we must find the length of her shadow. And here what? She is walking away from the base of the lamppost at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So here they asked to find the distance firstly. By distance, firstly let's find the distance, and next then we can find the shadow easily. So firstly, to find the distance, given what? So a girl is walking away from the lamppost. Somewhere the girl started here, and as she walked away from the lamppost and she reached somewhere at a point C. Okay, she reached at a point C. She started walking at a point B. After covering distance from B to C, she stood here, and a shadow somewhat fallen over here where lamppost stands here. So the rays falls in this direction as her shadow forms here. Okay. So as her shadow forms over here, so CD will be the shadow, and they asked to find the length of the shadow. But first let's find the distance that she walked from lamppost to that particular point C. To find it, here you have at a speed. So she is walking at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So wait a minute, like 1.2 meter per second. She's walking away from the lamppost 1.2 meter per second of the lamppost. So she's walking 1.2 meter per second, but so here after 4 seconds, she's so given speed, so we can write like speed equals to distance upon time. I need distance firstly, guys. So when we know that speed equals distance upon time, let me take like where speed equals to distance upon time, distance by time, right? Speed equals distance by time, but I need what? I need distance. So here we know that where distance equals to speed into time. Where distance equal to speed into time. Let me write down like distance over here. Distance equal to speed into distance equal to speed into time. So now by using this, here we can solve that. By using this here we can solve. We can find the distance firstly. I need to find the distance. So by using this I can find the distance. So here you have speed into time. So speed is what? 1.2 meter per second. Right? Speed is 1.2 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. So speed into time, where 1.2 into 4, that is the speed, time and distance. The outcome is distance. Now here you have distance, where distance equals to 4.8, we get like 4.2 meters per second. So she is walking like 4.2 meter per 4 seconds. Okay. So as where BC value will be 4.8 meters. Now here just convert meters into centimeters. By this we can find the value easily. So just either you would want to convert, but while doing calculations we can easily find out. So let's just convert this meter into centimeters. So we know that 1 meter equals to what? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Thus if I convert meters into centimeters, like 4.8 meters into centimeters gives what? Well, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 4.8 into 100 gives 480 centimeters. Right? So here I got like 480. Where BC equals to 480 centimeters. And where AB equals 360 meters. If I convert this, I will get like 360 centimeters. 3.6 meters turns into 360 centimeters. Now here, now consider this triangle ABC. Now here, if you look into this given figure, in this given figure, you can look into two triangles where ABD will be the first one and CDE will be the second triangle. So let me take like two triangles over here. Triangle AD or ABD. ABD and triangle CDE. So let me draw like triangle ABD and CDE over here. Triangle A, B, triangle C, D, CD not C, D, here C, here E. Okay, then triangle ABD and this triangle CDE. Now here, look over here. If you look correctly, you have D angle D. In this given two triangles, where angle D became common angle in both the triangles, where I can select angle D. Angle D equals to angle D. I have taken this in order to the common angles. Okay, so where angle D are common, so I have taken like common angles. Common angle. Next, where now here just have the like angle. You have a B and C, where B forms in the right angle. Where here in the given triangle ABD, B forms right angle and C forms right angle. Where both triangles are right angle triangles. B and C are right angle triangle. I can select angle B equals to angle C. So both triangles are 90 degrees. So they are with right angle triangle means right 90 degree angle. Let me take like 90 degree angle. Now next. Here we got what? Where angle D equals to angle D common angle. Angle B equals to angle C 90 degree angle. Thus, by A dot A similarity, means angle, okay, where angle become common, but so that by A dot A similarity, angle similarity, I can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle CDE, right? I got what triangle ABD is similar to triangle CDE. Thus, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are divided in the same ratio, right? AB by EC equals to BD by CD equals to AD by ED. So, let me take corresponding sides like AB by CE equals to BD by CD equals to AD by DE. Done. Now here AB value is 360 and CE value got what 90 equals to BD value over there. BD equals to BC plus CD or DC. Okay, let me have this. So by this, okay, just consider this bigger triangle where here we know that where BD equals to BC plus CD equals to BD, right? So here BC value we got what 480 plus CD value x by x. Here you have ADDE we haven't any value for that, so let it stay like this. Now here where 0 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, where 9 1s 9, 9 4s 36, 9 4s 36. I got what 4 equals to 480 plus x by x. Now by cross multiplication, I can say that here in the denominator plus you haven't anything, so any value. So let's take this as 1. So now consider this as 1. So here let me write down the next step over here. Here where 4 into x gives what 4x equals to 1 into 480. 1 into 480 plus 1 plus x is 480 plus x. Done. Now here you have what 480 plus x. Now just transpose this x to the other side. This becomes what 4x minus x equals to 480. 4x minus x gives what 3x equals to 480. Done. I need the value of x, so just transpose this 3 to the other side. So here 3 into x, where 3 is multiplying with x. If I transpose this 3 to the other side, this 3 turns into division as x equals to 480 by 3 1s 3, 3 1s 3, 3. Okay, where x value I got what, where x equals to 160, where 160 centimeters. Okay, as we have found the value in centimeters, if I wanted to convert the centimeters into meters, I can get like x equals to 1.6 meters. Okay, I got the shadow of the girl where her shadow is like 1.6 meters, where x value is 1.6 meters. So now let's conclude this one like where find the length of a shadow. So therefore the shadow of the is 160. 1.6 meters. Hence solved. Thank you.